So, you've decided to outsource your PPC services. Great, but how do you find out if a particular agency is right for you?
So, you've looked at some reviews, had a few referrals, shopped around a bit, but now you've got some meetings scheduled with prospective agencies.
It's important at this stage to get the most you can out of the agency you're talking to. This is to fully understand whether this is the right business to support yours, and can they help you achieve your own business goals.
First, ask them what previous experience they have working with your industry. This is important because many PPC agencies will have a wealth of experience, but some specialists may already have some in your sector, which is beneficial as they already have some knowledge of your target audience and their search behaviors, which definitely comes in handy when creating and implementing ads.
Next, you want to find out what platforms they specialize in. This is important as some platforms may be totally out of the question for your business and your target audience. Your PPC agency may have a good idea of what these platforms are from your first introduction. It's important the PPC agency can work within the platforms that are right for you.
Now, check if they have any certification. For example, maybe in AdWords, a PPC agency have certifications is definitely a bonus, but it's not essential. They can show where expertise and knowledge came from and can show a PPC agency's dedication to learning and educating themselves. However, plenty of well-experienced and knowledgeable PPC specialists do not have certifications.
Now, this is super important. Ask what metrics they will be reporting on and when. It will be their responsibility to report back their findings, successes and losses, if any, in regard to your campaigns. Make sure you both know when you will receive reports and how frequently.
It's also key for a business to understand where its budget is going, what the agency is doing with it, and for you to understand how its ads are performing. Asking what metrics an agency will report on is important as metrics help measure efficiency and performance.
We would suggest asking them how they define their success. This is a pretty open-ended question. Also will give you an idea of how the company measure their team performance and client success. You can also see how they envision success with your business in mind.
Next, ask them if they have any case studies. Case studies capture the whole campaign and include results. This means you can see how the PPC company has performed for others and how they tackled other business challenges, and ultimately see the results they achieved.
Lastly, talk about the costs that are involved. How much are their services? What sort of budget are you looking at for your industry? And further mention the projected ROI or return on investment.
When discussing the costs that are involved with the PPC marketing campaigns, ensure you fully understand what you are paying for. And if there is anything you don't understand, ask. You'll feel relief when you're fully aware of what budget you need to put in the PPC agency's efforts, and ultimately, a guesstimate of what you can expect back.